of you. My name is Nitesh Singh and welcome you all once again in our channel DRX Nitesh Singh, and I am making this video on the topic application of omega-3 fatty acid. And those who really curious to know about all the usage of omega-3 fatty acid, this video is going to help you to improve your knowledge, and if you take as a supplementation is going to use in the lot of aspect related to health issue. And I'm give you all the brief about the application, and one by one I'm going to elucidate all the point. First use of omega-3 fatty acid is it improve and reduce symptom related to anxiety and depression. And anxiety and depression is the mental condition where the person feel a lot of depression and anxiety because they're taking repetitive thought in your mind, and that's the cause anxiety and depression, where the dopamine level in the mind and serotonin levels both are going to decrease. That's why the anxiety and depression is taking place with your body. It's also help to reduce your health eye related complications and improvement your eye health. The third use of omega-3 fatty acid is if you use during the pregnancy, it's going to help the baby improve the health, mental health. If the woman take as a supplementation of omega-3 fatty acid for the baby, then the omega-3 fatty acid to going to help to improvement the baby mental health. It also used for reduce the inflammation from your body. It is used for joint health because it's making the formation of cartilage, and especially the person who facing arthritis related problem. In arthritis, a condition where both the joint going to rupture because the in between the whatever the cartilage and cartilage is getting breakdown due to the loss of cartilage and degradation of the cartilage. And also the omega-3 fatty acid be taken in a diet, in a proper diet, in a proper supplementation. So omega-3 fatty acid going to help to make formation of cartilage, and that's why they relieve from the joint pain. It help in a menstrual pain. The ladies and girls having a problem to menstrual pain, this omega-3 fatty acid give a relief to menstrual pain. It also helps in the symptom related to Alzheimer, because Alzheimer is a condition where the dopamine level is getting down, and that's why the nerve cell is getting itself die, and where we feel memory loss because our nerve cells is itself going to die. That's why the whatever the memory we have to kept in our mind is not for more time of period with yourself, and you have a lot of pleasure effect if you this product is taken as a supplementation, because it improves the dopamine level in your mind. Once your dopamine level is getting optimal in with your mind, so pleasure and Parkinson related disease never taken place, and your sex going to give a lot of pleasure to you while having sex. And another use of omega-3 fatty acids also help in the blood clotting regulation, starting point of making the new hormones, and contraction and relaxation of arterial walls. So there is a huge and tremendous use of omega-3 fatty acid. If you use this product as a supplementation, it's going to give you a lot of help to resolve your health issue. And this is a truly non-vegetarian because it's obtained from the cod fish, and this is also known as a cod liver oil. I hope this video is going to help you. If you have a related any complication, like if you have a joint issue, if you have external pain, if you have eye related complication, if you have a anxiety and depression, This omega 3 fatty acid, if you take as a supplementation for at least 3 to 6 months, this omega 3 fatty acid is going to give you a lot of symptomatic relief to you. And that's all about all omega 3 fatty acid. There is another lot of use of omega 3 fatty I am not going to cover, because this we are going to summarize all the application of omega 3 fatty acid. It take a long time of period, and this video is going too big. So this is the all the application of omega 3 fatties. I hope you like it. If you have any query related to omega 3 fatty, I am really enthusiastic to solve your all the query on the particular time of period. I hope you liked this video. Have a great day, and thank you for being with us.